Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you worried that your iPhone might be hacked? Don't panic, I will show you how to check for any sign of hacking using your iPhone setting. Let's get started. Open the setting app, scroll down and tap on battery. Here you will see which app is consuming the most battery. If you notice any unfamiliar app draining your battery, it could be a sign of something suspicious. Go back to the setting app, scroll down and tap on general, then iPhone storage. Check if there are any app you don't recognize. If you see something unfamiliar, it might be worth investigating. You should also monitor your data usage. Stay in the setting app, tap on cellular or mobile data. Scroll down to see data usage of each app. If you notice any unusual spike in any data usage, especially from apps you don't recognize, it could indicate a problem. Check for configuration profiles. In the setting app, go to General and look for profiles or device management. If you find any profile you didn't install or recognize, this could be malicious. Tap on them and remove if necessary. You can also reset password and enable two-factor authentication. It's always a good idea to change your password regularly and enable two-factor authentication. For added security, go to the setting, tap on your name at the top, then password and security, and follow the steps and update your security setting. If your iPhone is jailbroken, it might be more vulnerable to hacking. Look for unfamiliar apps like Cydia, which indicate jailbreaking. If you find it and didn't install it, your iPhone might be compromised. And there you have it, guys. By following these steps, you can check if your iPhone has been hacked and take action to secure it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more useful tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.